Ehlila amaphaphe West Village kodwa abahlali solo bathi bazizwa bangakaphephi endaweni yangikhabo namaphethelo naphezulu kokuthi amapholisa asikimele phezulu ngemva kwesehlakalo sokukatwa umjeje kwabomma abane eemvekeni ezimbili ezidlulileko. Bathi amapholisa bekasola ngasithathele ehloko isililo sokuthi amapholisa akangenelele kuliwe nezenzo zokumayina ngokungemthetho endaweni le. Bekwaba kulapha kwenzeka khona lesehlakalo. Bayatsho nokuthi amapholisa la asakhona isiphaza azokucimela kungasikade.
The police only came like this one time. They usually don't even come out when we call. So it's not, I don't know if there's going to be change for long, but there's change for now at least.
Abanye abahlali sebazizwa bakhululekile.
After the police was getting involved and start cleaning up, the crime going down much more. Some days, yes, you will hear some noises, but it's not like in the beginning.
Msanyana uneminyaka 14 ubudala ungomunye wabasola bavele ekhotho kaMagistrate eKrugersdorp abaqalene namacala okukata, ukukhwatshalaza, ukubamba ikunzi ngehloso ukulimaza kunye nokwephula umthetho okungena enarheni le.
All the 14 accused persons were part of the 82 that appeared last week in court. So now they have been separated from the 82 because remember that the remaining suspects are now facing only the charge of contravention of the Immigration Act.
Ihlangano ezokutshitshiswa komphakathi NPA ithayeka khupha imphumela abanye abasola abahlotshaniswa nokukata. Kusazokubanjwa namanye amahlelo kodwa ukufanisa lapha bongazimbi bazokukhomba khona abasolwa.